So you think you got a plumbing problem. What happens if today, right now, you get a water leak in your house? I mean, like from your refrigerator, your washing machine, your sink faucet, right? What are you gonna do? Do you realize most people do not know how to turn their water off? Not only that, some people only have one way to cut the water off. And the problem is, it's out at the road. It's way out there, and you've got to go out there and try to turn it off. And you can't turn it off with your fingers, right? Too hard, too much water pressure, you can't do it. Now you got to go back to the house, get a tool, and to do all of that, guess what, man? Your house is flooding. I see it every day. I hear the phone calls. I want you to consider something. Install a water cutoff valve. That's right, I did right here. Check this out. A water cutoff valve gives you the ability, as soon as you get water inside your house that's not supposed to be there, it's out on the ground, you can turn the water off. That simple, from the luxury of your house. Now, why is that important? Because when you go all the way outside to the meter box and you have your tool, now you got to open it up. And when you open it up, you don't know what's inside there. That thing ain't been open in a long time. Rats, snakes, mice, you name it, spiders, no need to put your hand in there. Plus, you're going to get your clothes all messed up because you're kneeling down in the mud or in the grass. Anyway, just an idea I've got, because you can install a water cutoff valve in your house or real close to your house, and that way you're not running all the way out there, and you can cut it off yourself. Hopefully, it'll save you a lot of money and save your house. Just a little tip I got, just an idea, thought you'd like to know.